Are your builds lagging or your edits not registering quickly enough? In this video, I'll guide you through the process of eliminating input delay in Fortnite. These optimizations will significantly improve your keyboard's responsiveness, providing the instant reaction time needed to perform at your best. So stick around and let's turn your setup into a competitive beast. Start by adjusting the keyboard data queue size through the Windows registry. This tweak helps reduce the time it takes for your keystrokes to register in-game, especially important in Fortnite where quick movements and edits are everything. First, open the registry editor by typing regedit into the Windows search bar. Right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator to gain full access. Once the editor opens, locate the correct registry path by copying the one provided in the video description and pasting it into the address bar at the top of the registry editor. Press Enter to jump straight to the required folder. Inside this folder, you'll find a key labeled Keyboard Data Queue Size. Double-click on it to open its settings. By default, the value is usually set to 100, which means Windows queues up to 100 key presses for processing. This can introduce input delay, especially in fast-paced games like Fortnite, where rapid inputs like building, editing, and strafing need to be registered instantly. To reduce this delay, try lowering the value. A good starting point is 65, which trims down the queue size and can lead to snappier keystroke responses. However, the best value varies depending on your system. Test in small steps. Try 95, then 90, 85, and so on, until you find the sweet spot that improves input response without missing key presses. Important: make sure the value stays in hexadecimal format before clicking OK to apply the change. Once done, you should notice a more responsive feel in Fortnite, with reduced input lag and tighter control, perfect for faster builds, edits, and smoother overall gameplay. Now let's move on to an important keyboard optimization that helps reduce input delay and make sure your key presses register as fast as possible. A game changer in Fortnite for building, editing, and quick reactions. Press the Windows key and type keyboard in the search bar. Look for the option called Keyboard Properties, or Change Keyboard Repeat Delay and Rate, and open it. You'll see two sliders here: Repeat Delay and Repeat Rate. These control how quickly your keyboard reacts when holding down keys. Repeat delay is how long you need to hold a key before it starts repeating the input. Repeat rate controls how fast the repeated input appears. To make Fortnite more responsive, set the repeat delay to short and the repeat rate to fast. This will ensure your keyboard reacts almost instantly, whether you're turbo building, spamming edits, or making quick movement inputs. Click Apply and then OK. You're done! This tweak might seem minor, but it can absolutely help reduce keyboard input delay in Fortnite, giving you a smoother and faster experience when it matters most. Alright guys, now head over to my official website and grab the Fortnite Input Delay Fix Pack. The download link is in the description. Inside, you'll find two tools: ISLC and filter keys. These are both essential for cutting down input delay in Fortnite. Start by opening ISLC, which stands for Intelligent Standby List Cleaner. This tool is great for optimizing memory usage and minimizing latency in real-time applications like Fortnite. Once the program is open, you'll need to customize the settings for the best results. In the first input box, enter 1024, which sets the minimum memory threshold in megabytes. In the second input box, type in half of your total system RAM. You can see your total memory displayed in the top left corner of the ISLC window. For example, if your system has 16 GB of RAM, enter 8192 MB, which equals 8 GB. This ensures ISLC will free up memory whenever standby RAM exceeds these values. Next, look to the right side of the window and find the Wanted Time Resolution section. Delete any existing value and set it to 0.50, representing half a millisecond. Then check the box labeled Enable Custom Time Resolution. This change can significantly reduce input lag, giving you a much more responsive feel during fast gameplay moments in Fortnite. Scroll down and locate the ISLC polling rate option. If you're on a high or mid-range PC, set this to 500 ms for quicker monitoring. For low to mid-end systems, a setting of 1000 ms is recommended to maintain stability without overloading your system. Once that's done, make sure to check all available boxes in the interface Then click Purge Standby List to clear unused memory immediately. After that, press Start to activate the tool. ISLC will now automatically clean up standby memory in real time, keeping your system responsive during gameplay. Don't close the program. Just minimize it to the system tray and let it run in the background. With these settings applied, your system will maintain lower latency, faster memory response, and smoother performance while playing Fortnite. To further reduce input delay in Fortnite and improve your keyboard's responsiveness, you can use the Filter Key Setter application. Begin by right-clicking the application and selecting Run as Administrator to ensure full control. Once the filter key interface appears, make sure to check the boxes labeled Available, Confirm Activation, and Show Status. These settings enable the filter key function and keep it active in the background. Now, tweak the performance settings for faster keystroke registration. Set Ignore Under to 0 ms, which ensures every key press is registered without delay. Adjust the repeat delay to 200 ms and the repeat rate to 25 ms. This combination creates a highly responsive setup, allowing up to 40 key actions per second. This is especially beneficial in Fortnite, where quick builds and edits demand instant feedback from your keyboard. Finally, enable the Save to Registry option to make sure these settings stay applied permanently, and click OK to finish. With these tweaks, your system will deliver faster input response and lower latency, helping you gain a competitive edge in fast-paced Fortnite gameplay. To get started with Gear Up Booster, download the tool from the official website using the link after downloading. Install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the Gear Up Booster interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button, and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let Gear Up automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to Automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using Gear Up Booster. The next thing we're going to do to reduce input delay in Fortnite is to disable mouse acceleration in Windows. This simple tweak can drastically improve how responsive and consistent your aim feels, which is especially important in fast-paced games like Fortnite, where precision really matters. Start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing mouse settings into the search bar. Click on the result that shows up. In the mouse settings window, click on Additional Mouse Options. This will open the classic mouse properties box. Now switch to the Pointer Options tab. You'll see a slider labeled Select a Pointer Speed. Move this slider to the center. This is the default balanced setting that avoids weird speed boosts or drops. Just below it, there's a checkbox that says Enhance Pointer Precision. You need to uncheck this box. Turning off Enhance Pointer Precision is key. This feature is actually Windows' version of mouse acceleration. It changes your cursor speed depending on how fast you move the mouse. While that might seem helpful, it creates inconsistent movement and makes aiming in Fortnite harder. Disabling it gives you consistent one-to-one mouse movement, which is essential for reliable aim and lower input delay. Once you've done that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Open the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu. Go to Ease of Access and then click on Ease of Access Center. Next, find and click on Make the mouse easier to use. Scroll down and click on Set up mouse keys. In the window that opens, look for a slider labeled Acceleration. Drag that all the way down to Slow. This ensures that no hidden acceleration is sneaking in through accessibility settings. Once that's done, click Apply and then OK. With both of these steps complete, disabling pointer precision and adjusting the ease of access settings, you've now fully turned off mouse acceleration across Windows. This will make your aim in Fortnite way more consistent and significantly reduce mouse input delay, giving you better control and faster reactions in fights. For a smoother Fortnite experience and lower input delay, it's important to clean up temporary system files that can slow down your PC. Start by closing all open programs on your desktop to prevent interference. Then, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type temp and hit Enter. This will open a folder filled with temporary Windows files. Press Ctrl+A to select everything and hit Delete to remove them. If some files can't be deleted, don't worry. That's completely normal. Next, bring up the Run dialog again by pressing Windows key plus R and this time type %temp%, then press Enter. This takes you to another directory with additional temporary files. Again, use Ctrl+A to select all files and hit Delete. Just like before, it's fine if a few files refuse to be removed. Lastly, open the Run box one more time and type prefetch, then hit Enter. This folder also contains temporary data used by Windows to preload applications. Select all files using Ctrl+A and delete them. Some files may stay behind, which is expected and completely safe. Performing this cleanup helps free up disk space, reduce background clutter, and improve your system's responsiveness, ultimately enhancing your Fortnite gameplay with faster load times and less system lag. So that's a wrap for today's video, guys. If this helped you fix input delay and boost your Fortnite performance, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more powerful tips coming your way. Thanks a ton for watching. And as always, peace out.